the biggest, no pun intended, thing we're going to be talking about is the increased build area or build volume of the new system. I have as an example here a side-by-side of our B9 Core 550, our previous largest model, and the new 5XL build volume. There's the size difference between the two right there. So if we talk just straight numbers here, I'm going to start off with the build area. So we're talking this flat spot right here, right? This was previously at 96 by 54 millimeters. The new model in this dimension is going to be the approximately 125 by 70 millimeters. And if we flip into the third dimension here and start talking volume, this is actually about a 70% increase over the previous Core 550.